Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can round off numbers in a cell. The round in Excel follows the general math rules for rounding the numbers. In the round function, the number to the right of the rounding digit determines whether the number should be rounded upwards or downwards. It works by rounding the numbers 1 to 4 down and rounding the numbers 5 to 9 up. To understand round, let's use the following example in the Excel, which shows the average of certain numbers. To use round formula, type equal to round and press tab. Then select the cell whose numbers you want to round off, and then type comma. After typing the comma, enter the precision up to which you want this number to be rounded off. That is number of digits after the decimal point. Let's say here, I want to round this number up to 4 digits. Then I'll type 4 here, and then hit enter. As you can see, the numbers have been rounded. Notice here that the 4th digit after the decimal is dependent on the 5th digit. Like in row 3, the 5th digit is 3, which is less than 5, and hence no change has been done on the 4th digit. But in row 6, the digit is 8, which is greater than 5, and hence the 4th digit has been rounded up, that is from 6 to 7. If I want to get this data up to 2 digits, I'll just change the round digit to 2, like this. If I don't want any decimal at all, I'll type in 0. So this is how you use round in Excel. This function comes in very handy to get the values up to required precision. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.